We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 Theory Book, and we are playing Ferris Wheel Improv. Now, we've already played the song Ferris Wheel, and we've been learning about legato and staccato and slurs and all of that. So, Ferris Wheel Improv, the word improv means to improvise, means to create on the spot. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to play a duet part, and then you're going to play the C 5-finger scale up here. You choose, and you can play any note in those 5 notes in any order that you wish, and they will fit with what I am playing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play, and there's going to be a spot in the song where I am going to stop and hold the note, and you are going to do the exact same thing. You're going to follow my lead, and when we stop and hold, that means we're at the top of the Ferris wheel, and then we get ready to come back down. Okay, so here is my part, and you are going to play with me, and every time you want to just replay this, just back up the video and play it again. And try as many different variations of your C 5-finger scale as you can with me. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.